Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to study for a pharmd program. First, thoroughly review your program's curriculum and individual course syllabi to grasp learning objectives. Next, establish a dedicated study schedule, ensuring you allocate sufficient time for each subject, especially challenging ones. Building a strong foundation in basic sciences, such as pharmacology and medicinal chemistry, during your initial years is absolutely crucial for future success. To study effectively, actively engage with the material using techniques like spaced repetition and regular practice questions. Visual aids are incredibly helpful. Try creating concept maps or flowcharts to illustrate complex drug mechanisms and interactions. Collaborating with peers in study groups allows you to discuss challenging topics, clarify doubts, and reinforce your understanding by teaching others. Leverage a variety of resources, including core textbooks, online drug databases, and specialized review materials. Consistent practice is key, so regularly work through drug calculations and dosage adjustment problems. Furthermore, apply your theoretical knowledge to real-world clinical case studies and patient scenarios to develop critical thinking and problem-solving skills essential for pharmacy practice. Maintaining your well-being is paramount for sustained academic success. Prioritize self-care by ensuring you get adequate sleep, maintain good nutrition, and incorporate regular physical activity. Consistent review of previously learned material, perhaps once every 2 weeks, significantly aids long-term memory retention. Finally, actively seek feedback from your professors and mentors to continuously identify and improve upon your areas of weakness.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.